Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, chapter 20, text 12. Sargina api etam icchanti lokam nirayanas tatha sadhakam jnana bhaktibhyam ubhayam tad asadhakam swargina piyetam icchanti lokam nirayans tatha sadhakam jnana bhaktibhyam ubhayam tad asadhakam swarginapi etam icchanti lokam nirayanas tatha sadhakam jnana bhaktibhyam ubhayam tad asadhakam. Translation. The residents of both heaven and hell desire human birth on the earth planet because human life facilitates the achievement of transcendental knowledge and love of Godhead, whereas neither heavenly nor hellish bodies efficiently provide such opportunities. Srila Jiva Goswami points out that in material heaven one becomes absorbed in extraordinary sense gratification, and in hell one is absorbed in suffering. In both cases there is little impetus to acquire transcendental knowledge or pure love of Godhead. Excessive suffering or excessive enjoyment are thus impediments to spiritual advancement. So here Bhagavan Krishna clearly saying to Uddhava that if someone is going to heavenly planet or someone is going to hellish planet, both are suffering. Both places suffering is there. So therefore, those who are intelligent person, neither they want to go to heaven planet nor they want to go to hellish planet. Because why one will suffer? Unnecessary suffering nobody wants. Kehi kebe evali bhavare dukkha paiva chahibo na. Many they have impression that they will go to Swargaloka, heaven planet, they will get more enjoyment, more happiness. Of course, everyone knows that they will go to hellish planet, there is suffering. But this Swargaloka is also the place of suffering. In Purana, in Shastra, we can find that demigods in the heavenly planet, they were not at all remaining happy always. In other words, you can say that they were not having eternal happiness. Because they are having threatened fear from the demons. The demoniac persons, they always try to go for more sense gratification. Therefore, when they see that in heavenly planet the inhabitants they are getting more sense gratification, therefore they also develop desire to go to heavenly planet, and they want to throw the demigods out, and they will remain in that heavenly planet and enjoy. So, this is the condition in Swargalok, heavenly planet. We did so much efforts to go to heavenly planet. Finally, we got misery there, distress there. So what they use? Why one will unnecessarily waste his time to go to heavenly planet where so much enjoyment is there, sense gratification is there. That type of sense gratification is bringing obstacles to go to Krishna, to go for Krishna Bhakti. In Krishna Bhakti, there is no question of own sense gratification. The people, those who are doing some forbidden activities, some prohibited activities, they go to hellish planet. And those who are following their prescribed duties, Swadharma, they will go to higher planetary system. It is also found in the Shastra, if anyone will observe this prescribed duty for 100 lifetimes, he can become Brahma. But Brahma also suffering. If someone will become a really intelligent one, he will give up this. Neither he will want to go to heavenly planet, nor he will do some sinful activities and go to hellish planet. He doesn't need this. So it is said, Biji dharma chadi bhaje Krishner chara nisiddha papacharatar kamunaya mama. If someone is giving up these rules, regulations, principles prescribed in Veda or other Shastra, only is meditating how to serve Bhagavan Krishna and make him happy. So he will never develop desire to do some activities which is forbidden in Vedas, Vedic Shastra. No need to go for prescribed duty. That Mahaprabhu has proved in his statement. When Rai Ramananda is saying to Mahaprabhu, of course, he was requested by Mahaprabhu to speak about Sadhya Sadhana. So when Rai Ramananda is saying about Varnasrama Dharma, one has to observe Varnasrama Dharma. Immediately Mahaprabhu said, this is outward things. No need to speak of this. Even sarva dharmana parityajya. No need. Go ahead. So actually what Mahaprabhu wanted to know from Rai Ramananda. What is the real sadhya is. That he wanted to listen from Rai Ramananda's mouth. Finally, Rai Ramananda said, Krishna Prem. The highest thing is Krishna Prem. Still Mahaprabhu said, if anything else you can speak nice. What more nice is? Therefore we need the mercy of Sakhis, the girl companion of Srimati Radharani. Then this love will be resumed, complete. So the meaning of that, Prem Bhakti cannot be developed without sadhu sangha. Either it will be sahaja or crookedness. Without the mercy of the dear devotee of Krishna, how we can develop Prem Bhakti? So, we need to associate with a Premi Bhakta in order to develop Prem for Bhagavan Krishna. Time and again we are saying, there is difference between sadhana kriya and sadhana bhakti. When one is developing sadhana bhakti, the prem is developing, love is developing. But sadhana kriya, there is no question of love. I do something forcibly. And I will do something with love. There is difference. When I do some service with love, that will give pleasure to the master, to the Lord. Forcibly I will do something, will not give pleasure to Krishna. And we'll have to learn it from a sadhu. How to render loving devotional services unto the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord, Supreme Master, Krishna. That we have to learn from a sadhu. It's a very, very important thing. Sadhu Sangha is a very, very important thing. That day, before this text, the other text we are saying this thing. What we are saying? Chaitanya Charitamrita, 24th chapter, text 187, 188. Satsanga Krishna Seva Bhagavata Nama Droje Vaso Ei Pancha Sadhana Pradhana Ei Pancha Madhye Eko Sharpa Jadi Hai Subuddhi Janer Hai Krishna Premodai. The same Subuddhi Janer Hai Krishna Premodai. Subuddhi, nice intelligence. Who is having nice intelligence, then he will develop love for Krishna. To be elevated to the platform of devotional service, the following 5 items should be observed. Association with devotees, engagement in the service of Lord Krishna, the reading of Srimad Bhagavatam, the chanting of the holy names, and residence at Vrindavan or Mathura. Same. Same thing, the same. Sadhu Sangha Nam Kirtan, Bhagavat Sravana Mathura Vasa, Srimurtir Sadhaya Seva. Same thing is there. Here, one thing is there, that এই পঞ্চমধ্যে এক স্বল্প যদি হয়, সুবুদ্ধি জনের হয় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমোদয়। One's dormant love for Krishna gradually awakens if one is a little advanced in one of these 5 items and is intelligent. So, we are lacking this intelligence. Let us ask this question to ourselves. Among these 5 limbs of bhakti, what we are doing? Which one we are doing? What we are doing? Are you really doing sadhu sangha? Are you really chanting the holy name? Are you really listening Bhagavatam? What we are doing? Are you really serving Bhagavan Krishna with Shraddha, with faith? Are you really residing in Braja or Mathura, Vrindavan? When I was very young, we are doing Harinam Kirtan. Our young friends, small. Our father, uncles, they were doing, but we are doing one mini Kirtan, means we are also conducting Kirtan. And in that we are, I forgot that song. The meaning is that, let us go quickly to Vrindavan. The meaning is that. Are you really hankering to go to Vrindavan? Where is Vrindavana? Jaha sadhu taha tirtho. Where sadhu is there, Vrindavan is there. Sadhu's heart is Vrindavan. Why? Because Vrindavan is eternal residence of Krishna. Krishna resides in Vrindavan eternally. So, where Krishna resides? Krishna resides in the heart of sadhu, heart of a devotee, bhakta. Therefore, very boldly he said, Vrindavana parityaja padame karma gacchami. I cannot go one step out from Vrindavan. That means I cannot go out of the heart of the sadhu, devotee sadhu. That is Vrindavan. The sadhu, he has bound up Krishna in his heart. Therefore, we must go to sadhu and listen from him. Who is sadhu? Arjuna Krishna, you are listening yesterday. You are listening yesterday.
Who is Sadvasturi Sambandita, he said, who is connected with Sat? And one word he used, I cannot remember.
One cannot become sadhu holding Maya. Maya is not only woman. Many. Maya will appear in many ways. Of course, we say women, for the man, women is Maya, but that is not the only thing. Maya will come many ways. So if one will become sadhu and he will have one hand on Maya, how he can become sadhu? Sadhu has kept Krishna in his heart. Everything he has thrown out. No need. Chalo. I don't need all these things. So he is intelligent one. He is intelligent one. He doesn't have anything else than Krishna. What type of qualification we need to associate with sadhu? Sukruti mula sadhu sangha. Sukruti means the credit of pious activities, we can say. There are different types of pious activities. The credit of pious activities also different types. Karmanukhi sukruti, jnananukhi sukruti, bhakti unmukhi sukruti. Those who are having karmanukhi sukruti, they will go for this higher planet, heavenly planet. They will do that type of karma and they will go upper planetary system. Jnananukhi sukruti, by that they will get association of a jnani, they can give up their own attachment of this material world and they try to go to Brahman, merge into Brahman. But those who are having bhakti unmukhi sukruti, they will get sadhu sangha. Our Gurudev was having 464 disciples only. Now people are having 50,000, 60,000 disciples. Cannot count. But out of these 464 disciples, during the presence of Gurudev, some they left. Because Gurudev has put, left, rejected, not coming, question mark, 1 question mark, 2 question mark, 3 question mark. ଏସବୁ ଅଛି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ରେକର୍ଡ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି ବିନା ରେକର୍ଡରେ କଥା କହେ. They were having some sukruti, therefore they came to my Gurudev, and few of them Gurudev's presence they left. Later on many they left. When Gurudev left the planet, maybe 20 might be there. I don't think. That is also very difficult. I don't want to go to that details. Why it happened? But they were having so much enthusiasm, so much desire to become devotee disciples of Gurudev. I saw so much. Why then they left? Why they left? They were having sukruti. They came to Gurudev. They saw Gurudev. They got initiation. Then they left. What is the problem? They add the seeds. If you will have seed, then you can grow the plant. Plant is not growing anymore. Seed is not there. Seed they have taken. That means they try to use Gurudev for their sense gratification. Totally gone. No question of any further cultivation. What sadhu is doing? What sadhu is giving? Sadhu is giving bhakti. We should cultivate that bhakti. Then the bhakti creeper will grow more and more. But we are not doing that. Kon bhagye karo samsar kheon mukho sadhu sange tora Krishna rati puja. By good fortune, one becomes eligible to cross the ocean of nescience. And when one's term of material existence decreases, one may get an opportunity to associate with pure devotee. By such association, one's attraction to Krishna is awakened. Krishna Rati. Ayaram Gayaram. We came and we left. Because no Rati, no attraction. So, Bhavapavargo brahmato yada bhavet janasya tarhi achyuta satsangama yarhi tadaiva sadgato paravare se toi jayate ratihi. O my Lord, O infallible Supreme Person, when a person wandering throughout the universes becomes eligible for liberation from material existence, he gets an opportunity to associate with devotees. When he associates with devotees, his attraction for you is awakened. You are the Supreme Person of Godhead, the highest goal of the topmost devotees and the Lord of the universe. Bhagavan antarar katha jananti, Gurudev madhya antarar katha jananti. Tena ame jetebale Gurunkara pada padmare ashrita habu, Gurudev amku setebale भगवान को सेवारे नियुक्त करिवे। जदि आमर भगवान को सेवा करिवार इच्छा अछि ताहाले आमे गुरुंकर निर्देश रे चलिबा। जदि भगवान को सेवा करे इच्छा नाही आमे डिया मारी भाग पळेबा। ये जते जण पळेले जते जण पळेई थिले पळेई छंती पळौछंती हे माने गुरु को निर्देश सेवा करिया को चाहती ना। You will not listen to Guru and Sadhu. You will not follow Guru and Sadhu. Can we develop love for Krishna? Can we make him happy? Due to this reason, they came, they got Sadhu, but they could not remain. They left. How one will remain with Krishna if no attraction is there? So therefore, many they came, many they left. So Ado Shraddha. Beginning, we are saying that day about Shraddha, faith. Shraddha sabde Vishwas kahe Sudhura Nishcha. So, Thamaru Shraddha. From the beginning, one should have Shraddha. What type of faith, what type of Shraddha we need so that we can remain with Guru or Sadhu or Krishna? Krishna Bhakti Re Shraddha. The faith on Krishna Bhakti. I am having faith on Krishna Bhakti. I am Krishna Sevako. Krishna is Sabhya. I will serve him. This type of faith one should develop so that he can remain in bhakti. He can continue in bhakti. If you not increase our Krishna bhakti, if you will develop our Krishna bhakti, we will remain. Krishna bhakti buddhi pau nahi, hame rohi parivar na. Our connection with Krishna is not developing. How can we remain with Krishna? And sadhu is not saying, you stay for me, I need you. Sadhu is thinking, they have come to serve Krishna. My Gurudev sent you. He has sent you to me to be engaged in Krishna Seva. You have come to do Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Seva, devotional service, not for my pleasure. You have come to please Krishna. And if you not do that, gate is open. We do not know what is our objective. What is the goal of life, we do not know. Therefore we are just here and there, going and coming. My Gurudev said, why this faith is not increasing? But the reason why the faith is not increasing, the only reason is that we are not listening. Therefore our faith is not developing. This faith will develop, we will develop love for Krishna. If our love will develop for Krishna, then the samsara, attraction for samsara will go. The attachment will go. Here attachment is not developing. How our attachment for Maya will go? If we are trying to get rid of all that, it cannot be possible, your whole life will go. Give up that process. That anartha nivrutti process, give up. Just see how your spiritual advancement will take place. You go in that direction. You know? To develop our bhakti, to develop our loving relationship with Krishna, we need the mercy of a great personality. One will develop attachment, love for Krishna, this material existence will go. It will go on simultaneously. And that will be possible by Mahat Krupa, by the mercy of great personalities, sadhus. If someone is having credit of pious activity, he will always think, I cannot remain without sadhu sangha. Let us go and listen from sadhu. For that qualification, what qualification we need to listen from sadhu? Huh? Mahanupa can say? Yes, simple heart. Huh? Gurudev speaks story. The two friends were there. One is very much materialistic. Another one is devotee one. So, whenever he asked his friend to go for sadhu's association, listening from sadhu, he takes so many types of please, don't go with him. So one day this devotee friend told to that his friend that, hey, one opera has come. One opera, tonight the opera will play. Let us go. He said, yes, we'll go. But they will have to go crossing the river Ganges. So where he is going to step into the boat, that materialistic friend is thinking, this one is the bhakta. He is saying, let us go to see opera. There must be something. Then he said, oh my dear friend, you see, whenever I go by boat, I will vomit. So better we will do one thing. When the summer season will come, the water flow will be less, then we can go by water. He returned back. This devotee friend is thinking, he is such an unfortunate one. And he is saying, when the Ganges water will be dry, Ganges water will never dry. There is a summer season, more water flow will be there. Ganga is coming from Himalaya. Himalaya is having all ice. The ice will be melted. Then flow will be more. So our condition is like that. Let us go, listen. Sadhu has come. Sripad Maharaj, that time in Balasore, there was a program arranged in Balasore town. He arranged the drummer. They are very nice. They play mridanga, Manipur, Kirtan, very nice. I have seen in Bali, especially in Bali I saw. Different places they were doing. And Sripad Maharaj Chaitanya Chandra, we are going to your Balasore town. There will be Harinam with our drummers. Drum party will go. Yes, Maharaj. So good. They went. They did nice kirtan. The Balasore town, they covered city area. But in the evening time, they saw 30, 40 years sitting to listen. They don't want to listen. But sadhu say, sadhu jaha kahuchanti shunibaku amar ichha nahi, dharja nahi. We have no desire, no patience to listen. So, if you not listen, how the attraction will develop, how bhakti will develop, সংসার চিনিতে আর কোন বস্তু নাই, সাধু সঙ্গে হরিনাম এই মাত্র চায়। There is nothing else by which you can conquer this material world. Only by sadhu association and Nam Kirtan. By that only you can conquer this material world. In the Bhakti scripture, this Sukruti is called the good fortune. So already we said Sukruti 3 types. Bhakti Unmukhi, Bhoga Unmukhi, Moksha Unmukhi, same Karma Unmukhi Jnana. So how one will get Bhakti Unmukhi Sukruti? What type of activities one will do so that he will get Bhakti Unmukhi Sukruti? Whatever written in Shastra, what is Bhakti? What activities will be called as Bhakti? If someone is doing that, then he will earn Bhakti Unmukhi Sukruti. Understand? How long Dean will stay here?
24 January.
তাহলে ভোগন্ম সুকৃতি কাক কইবা? What is bhogamukhi sukriti or karmanmukhi sukriti? By doing some activities, we are getting enjoyment, sense gratification. That is bhogamukhi sukriti. So therefore, there are 3 types of sukruti. By this Bhakti Unmukhi Sukruti, when one will go for sadhu sangha, that is a desire for making own samsar will be reduced. ତେଣୁ ସିଏ ସାଧୁ ସଙ୍ଗ କରିବ, ସାଧୁଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଶ୍ରବଣ କରିବ ଏବଂ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଆକର୍ଷିତ ହେବ. He will go for sadhu sangha, he will listen from sadhu, and he will be attracted towards sadhu. He will be attracted towards Krishna. The goal of human life is to develop love for Krishna. That will never be possible without sadhu sangha. If we will not go for sadhu sangha, bhakta sangha, we will go for other sangha. Even if we don't need, but it will happen. What is there? Why so much time we will waste? What will listen? What will get from it? The listeners are not ready to listen. Why Gurudev will speak? He will speak in America, Australia, not other places. Only America, Australia. Indonesia, they cannot understand deep tattva. But still he spoke. One time, 4 hours. He didn't know. When he saw, this is time. Because he has not adjusted time, 2.5 hours. Singapore, what is that? Singapore, same. Indonesia, Singapore, same. No, 1 hour only. Jakarta. Jakarta is 1.5 hours. Because he has not adjusted his watch. Oh, this is time. Cha. Oh. Yeah, I spoke 4 hours. Yes, Gurudev. They were listening. Pin drop silent. Pin drop silent, they were listening. 4 hours. Here, half an hour, 40 minutes, chalo. Bhokka lagilani. Our this attachment for this material samsara will never reduce, and love for Krishna also will not increase. Sadhu Sangha Sarva Shastre koy, love matra sadhu Sangha sarva siddhi hoy. Same in Bhagavatam saying, 1:18-13, Tudayam lavanapi na sargam na punarbhavam bhagavat sangi sangasya martyanam kimutasisa. The value of a moment's association with the devotee of the Lord cannot even be compared to the attainment of heavenly planets or liberation from matter. And what to speak of worldly benedictions in the form of material prosperity, which are for those who are meant for death. All types of auspiciousness is there if we are associating with sadhu. So the Swarga, the heavenly planet, even moksha, the liberation, cannot be compared with that. One will get benefit out of sadhu association that cannot be compared with the one will get pleasure in heavenly planet or pleasure by getting liberated. Sadhu first he put his focus on the principles, Vedic principles. Then when he sees that the followers or the disciples, they are now well conversant with the rules, regulations, then he gives little bit prayer. The sadhu gives teaching on Bhagavad Gita. Then when he sees that the followers or devotees, they are able to understand what are the rules, regulations, principles, then he slowly gives him little bit touch of prayer. Lord, my Gurudev, he was Kurubasrama. In Kurubasrama he was teacher. And in his Paramartha Ashram, he also became teacher. Sara life, whole life, he taught. In material education, spiritual education, he was the right teacher. He has taught us like that. A small child, the mother or father will hold his hand with a chalk and like, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Similarly, my Gurudev taught everything. In gradual way, the gradual process, he gave everything. Prabhupada also gave everything. But we people do not know how Prabhupada gradually he wanted that his all followers should become Krishna's Premi Bhakta. Then he didn't understand this. Hey Prabhupada, hey Prabhupada, hey Prabhupada. Prabhupada said, what Prabhupada said, you know? What Prabhupada wanted, you know? That Gurudev said to our Gauramandal Bhumi Prabhu in Jakarta, don't think that my Gurudev is ABC Guru. He has given everything. You people should find out where he has given, what he has given. Gauramandala, I am speaking to you because you are preaching. I have come to teach the preachers. Very boldly he said this thing. I have come to teach the preachers. What is the aim and object of this bhakti scripture? Then you go for teaching. No problem. Manmanam bhava madbhakta madjajiman namaskuru. Is there any evidence? Is there any personality of Godhead spoken like this? But Krishna spoke in Bhagavad Gita. After giving all clarification, karma, jnana, ashtanga, yoga, then he is saying, Manmana bhava madbhakta madjajiman namasturu. And saying, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saranam vraja. This is the conclusion of Bhagavad Gita. The later conclusion is the more stronger than the former one. Formerly he said about karma, jnana, yoga. Now he is saying starting bhakti yoga. What we will learn from this? If in my head so many plans are just working, how can I think about Krishna? How can I keep Krishna in my mind? How can I develop devotion for him? How can I accept him as the Supreme Lord? How can I give up my dharma? Give up. Give up all the dharmas. Give up. Only surrender unto me. Come to me. Then one will start rendering seva to him. What will he do? He will go to Krishna's lotus feet. What will he do there? He will render seva for his pleasure. Automatically, love will develop for him. Automatically, love will develop for him. कौन कुहाउची भागवत 4th canto chapter 31 text 14 जथा तरुर्मूढ़ निषेचनेन तृप्यन्ति तत्स्कन्द भुजोपशाखा प्राणोपहाराच्च जथेन्द्रियाणं तथैव सर्वा हर्मच्युतजा. As pouring water on the root of a tree energizes the trunk, branches, twigs and everything else, and as supplying food to the stomach enlivens the senses and limbs of the body, simply worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead through devotional service automatically satisfies the demigods who are parts of that Supreme Personality. Who will become demigod? Huh? Who will become demigod? Huh? Do you have opportunity to serve Krishna if you will become demigod? The demigod, they cannot see Krishna. How they will serve? They just get the voice. They were not able to see even Krishna's Purusha avatar. Even we will become demigods in the heavenly planet, we cannot serve Krishna with love. What to speak about those who are suffering in Hades planet. Therefore, those who are remaining in the demigod planets, heavenly planets, those who are remaining in the Hades planet, they want to become human beings in this material world. Because they can get some opportunity to associate with sadhu, listen from sadhu, and develop attraction for Krishna. So therefore, Bhaktara Manava. The organization will expand, people will come more, money will come more. If someone will speak this type of truth, let their hands be cut down, legs cut down, finally hair cut down. My Gurudev said, why you people will kill me? I will go finish. I don't want to be killed by you. Huh? What the meaning? Come with all preparation. We will finish our service for all times to come. What the meaning of this? Satyavada. Now, 6 GBC earlier. Huh? I asked Gurudev, why not you will go one time to Russia? The Russian people, they are very much interested. Gurudev said, Baba, 6 GBCs are there. And they have made rule. Nobody can enter into Russia without their permission. We will not go there. Chalo. Jiva. Hare Krishna. Jai Srimad Bhagavatam Tharaj ki. Jai Srila Gurudev ki. Jai Srila Prabhupada Ji Maharaj ki. Shri Radha Gopal Ji ki. Shri Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Devi ki. Shri Gonitai ki. Samavita Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki. Nitai Gokumanande.
Jai Shri Srimad Chaitanya Sundas Guru Maharaj.
Jai Sri Gurudev ki jai.
My understanding.
Yeah, very simple. Who disciple? Gauranga Swami Maharaj disciple. I am Gauranga Swami Maharaj disciple. You don't know me? Enjoy that. Well, I am using his name and enjoying. Oh, Govind Maharaj disciple. Oh, Govind Maharaj disciple. Oh, acha. Many they come, can you speak something about Govind Maharaj? Can you speak something? Those who are not following what Guru is saying, they are just enjoying Guru. What we are doing? We are remaining, eating prasad, just little bit doing something, chalo. No tension. That is what. I am not listening what Guru is saying, or I am not doing according to Guru's desire. Simply I am remaining and taking prasadam. Is it not enjoyment? If this type of question will be replied, then you are searching for potato. One Shivalinga will come. You are simply digging the earth to get potato. Then if you will get a Shivalinga, what will happen? Bas. The potato business gone, now Shivalinga prostituting will start. And that is not so easy task to worship Shivalinga. That means all the things will come out, which was already hidden inside the earth, it will come out. So, better. That is Odia proverb. Nobody could understand my Gurudev. That is the very sad state of affair. They could not understand my Gurudev. They would have understood my Gurudev would be in the planet now. From both sides. Inside, outside problem. So how much you... Anyway, don't speak so much, otherwise I have no fear, because I am in such a place, nobody will like to come here. The communication is not nice, village area, and also I am not going outside. Earlier time I was going, so some fear was there. I am not going in any other places, just in our periphery.
But from here it will spread. But from here it will spread.
That is, Gopal knows, Gurudev knows, I don't know. Everything is there. Many acharyas, all the Goswamis, and their followers, Mahaprabhu's followers, they have kept so much for us. We cannot finish it in our lifetime. So many lifetimes also not sufficient. So we should survive with that.
Protect.
Oh, that will protect. If we are following previous acharyas, they will protect us. Bhakti Swarup Damodar Maharaj, he put the picture of Gurudev in his altar, Manipur. Some they asked, Maharaj said, because he knows Guru Tattva well. But after that, more force than removed. He said to me, Chaitanya Chandra, why you not put Gaura Swami here, Murti? I said, many obstacles will come. Gurudev is in Bhubaneswar, is okay, but here, man, then he spoke in GBC. The Ladegiri and Bhubaneswar, the two places, they can keep Gurudev's Mukti. He spoke. He said, he spoke, then we put Gurudev's Mukti. He knew. He knew what is the quality of our Gurudev. Subhat Maharaj, Sripad Maharaj, they knew. Many they don't know. They even didn't want to know. Many they say that Gauranga Swami Gaudiya Maharaj, Gaudiya Sannyasi, in New Vrindavan, America, they said this thing. I was surprised. One very old Sankirtan leader, he asked me, I gave class there, and he asked me, whose disciple you are? I said, I am disciple of Srimad Gauranga Swami, Odisha Bhubaneswar. Right? Odisha Bhubaneswar? Is there ISKCON? Not is there? Yes. Nice temple is there. No. I was having wrong impression. What wrong impression? Now many of my brothers, they were saying, Gauranga Swami Gaudiya. Bhubaneswar Gaudiya Math. ISKCON Math. Said that is last founded project of Prabhupada. Prabhupada stayed 17 days there. He put the cornerstone there. And how it is Gaudiya? Please come. Yes. Next time if I will go to India, I will come there. So many they don't know that Gurudev is Prabhupada's disciple. Gurudev is ISKCON man. If one will listen from sadhu, then he will develop attraction towards Krishna and his attachment to material world will be reduced.